See, just turning your head. There you are. All right, now, if you want to put your hands on somebody, why, just go up there and do it. And what happens when... All right, now, is there any difference in that?
Yeah. So even at the very end, as I touched him, I toughened up a bit. But it was better in the movement.
All right. Now, if you're watching this, it affects this part right here first, right through here. So with a tiny bit of movement this way. Now, as you do that, move your arms and see what happens. Now, what has happened?
Bill's nodding his head.
Did you get a response to him? All right.
Without trying.
All right, so. All right, now send him off for a walk or do something with him.
Okay. Bill, get going.
And did you notice anything that happened through here as you moved your arms?
Now, I'm sorry to say.
Oh, don't be sorry. There's still life.
Is life after mistakes?
So now you want to take a walk for yourself and see what happens. That's far enough. Now, what does that do for you?
Well, in feeling terms, it's as if I have a series of air cushions all the way up to my body, so that the joints are all moving. But I didn't know they weren't moving before.
What does that do?
It seems to take me out of my curve, out of my downward pressure on my side.
Yeah. And when you turn, you are not using this. This makes the turn. You're just doing that to turn around or to go in.